In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the list of journal entries in QuickBooks Online. We'll start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. The cleanest way to view a complete list of journal entries is through the built-in Reports Center. On the left panel, click Reports. This takes you to the central hub for all your reporting needs. Next, head to the Standard Reports tab. This tab groups all the ready-made reports that come with QuickBooks, organized by category so they're easy to find. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled For My Accountant. This area is designed for deeper bookkeeping and review tasks, and it includes the exact report you need. Look for the option called Journal and click it. Once you open the journal report, QuickBooks automatically runs it for your books and displays a detailed, table-style list of all journal entries within the current settings. You'll see each entry broken out with key details like the date, journal number, memo, the accounts impacted, and the debit and credit amounts. The report groups lines by journal entry, which makes it easy to follow the flow and confirm that each entry is balanced. This is especially helpful for month-end review, audit support, or troubleshooting unexpected balances because you can quickly verify that every debit has a matching credit and that the entries hit the accounts you intended. If the list feels long, keep in mind the report uses a default date range. You can always refine what you're seeing using the controls at the top of the report to focus on the period or details that matter to you. You can also drill into any amount to review the underlying journal entry for a closer look or to spot typos and attachments. And if you need to collaborate with an accountant or keep a record for your files, the report includes options to print or export, which makes sharing straightforward and consistent. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your user role has access to accounting reports so the journal option appears. If you don't see it right away, continue scrolling within the For My Accountant section because reports are grouped by category and can be easy to overlook. And consider reviewing this report after any bulk import or cleanup to catch issues early before they affect your financial statements. And that's all there is to it. By going to Reports on the left panel, opening the Standard tab, scrolling to For My Accountant, and selecting the Journal report, you have a fast, reliable way to see the complete list of journal entries in one place. Keep this report in your favorites, so it's just a click away whenever you need it.